One thing that is every woman's nightmare is body hair. We shave it down only for it to grow back again 2 days later. Then it's stubbly and coarse until you shave it again. If there was only a way to get rid of it without spending time and money in a salon on laser hair removal, well, guess what? There is. On this episode of Stacy Links Presents, I'm going to do a demonstration of my IPL hair removal device. I'll be right back. Alright, so welcome to my channel. I'm Stacy, and in this episode I'm going to do my IPL hair removal demonstration. I will go through what an IPL device is, which mine is right here. I'll talk about the preparations you need to make before using the device. I'll talk about the procedure while using the device for your hair removal treatment. And then I'll talk about some aftercare ideas that you can do with this type of device. But before I start, make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to my channel. If you're a longtime viewer, and especially if you're a member of the LGBTQIA+ community, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I have many episodes in the last 4 seasons, all playlisted, that I would urge you to go check out. I also have more episodes planned for season 5. I'm doing advocacy for the LGBT community as well as documenting my transition as a solo parent. Plus, I have all of my music videos on here for my original music and my studio covers, so make sure you go check them out as well. Also, make sure if you're not following me on these social media platforms, make sure you go down below and check the description for the links and go follow me there as well. Alright, so the acronym IPL stands for Intense Pulse Light. The device contains a 900 watt halogen bulb, and it uses a broad spectrum of light as opposed to a laser hair removal system that is a focused spectrum, which means that this device is usable on many different skin types and many different hair types. It also has 5 variable flash levels and the display. Also, these bulbs have a limited lifespan, so the displays will have the number of pulses that are left in the life of the bulb. So what happens is it's the root of the hair that absorbs the light, and then it basically burns the root. And it does take multiple treatments for the hair to finally go away. And oftentimes it just brings it down to more of like a soft, peachy fuzz. It doesn't always get rid of it all, but this is a good method for controlling unwanted hair in different parts of the body. Alright, so I'll move on to preparations. So before you use your IPL device, you need to wash and shave the area that you intend to treat. And then you want to make sure you dry completely and don't use any lotions or creams right away. Just leave it completely the way it is, dry and shaved. And you got to make sure the skin is dry as well. Otherwise, the halogen bulb will likely boil the water on your skin. So you want to make sure that there's as little moisture as possible in the area you plan to treat. Okay, so I set up another camera perspective here so you can see my legs in real time. And I have my device plugged in. Now, because of the wattage of the bulb in this, it does produce a lot of heat. So it's got a really big fan inside of it as well. So you don't want to block the vent holes. So, but press and hold the small button. Press and hold the small button and you see the display comes up. It shows the number of, that's the number of pulses that are left, the fan speed, and also the temperature. If it's going to overheat, that'll start to flash. And then the intensity of the pulses, which is changed with this button. You can go go up to 5. And one good thing about this type of device is it doesn't fire when you hit the fire button as long as it's not in contact with skin. So, but eye protection is quite important as well. So, but basically what I'll do is I'll put it down onto where I want to start doing the treatment, and I usually close my eyes. I usually do it twice like that, and then I'll do it in rows, so it'll be like this. Right? And this is also really good to use on hyperpigmentation areas. Like I got some over here that I could use this on, and that helps to shrink those down. So, but the level that she set it to is based on your skin and hair type. The thicker your hair, the higher the setting should be. Treatment. Then for after treatment skincare, one thing that's really good to use is anything that contains aloe, or just straight aloe itself, or you can use a suntan after sun cream, or any sort of sun cream like that. Aloe is generally the best to use, but anything that can help soothe and moisturize the skin so it doesn't start to flake is the best kind of stuff to use. Alright, so thanks for watching. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button down below. And again, if you've not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and drop a comment. Tell me what you've been doing for your hair removal, and let me know if you've considered laser or any other type of light-based hair removal. Let me know and tell me your stories. But make sure you come back next time, and I'll see you then. Bye.